All right, in this problem, we're going to be looking at converting units of area. So we have centimeters cubed, we have meters cubed. Now, what we know, our equality that we know is that there are 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. So how can we use that to convert area units? Now, I don't know the conversion or the equality between centimeters cubed and meters cubed. Google might be able to tell us, but we could do this without that assistance by using this equality that we do know. Remember, centimeter, milli, centa, and kilo are the ones I expect you to know. So this is one of those in that relationship. So we're going to use our fancy dimensional analysis program here to figure this out. And what you'll notice is that there are some examples with this cubed on the top, which aligns with the cubes here. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so we're going to start with our 7.6 centimeters cubed. Now I want to get out of centimeters cubed into meters cubed. So I know, again, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, but we're cubing everything, right? So I can still do that and cube the numbers individually. So 1 cubed, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So that also means I need to cube the 100. So it aligns perfectly with our units, which have a cube. We also have to do the same thing with the number. Cube the 1 and cube the 100. 100 cubed is 1,000,000. So to answer our question, we're doing 7.6 divided by 1,000,000, which is 1 times 10 to the 6th. We are dividing it, so it's going to become small, which makes sense, right? Gut check. Do we get a small number or a big number? If it's only 7.6 centimeters cubed, that's like a milliliter, not very much. The bottom of your cup filled. How many meters cubed is that? And meters cubed, if you imagine, are a big space, like you could fit in it, a box you could fit in. So it should be really tiny. So here is our 7.6 divided by 100 cubed gives us 7.6 times 10 to the minus 6th, and that is in meters cubed. There we go. So remember, cubed units are tough, but we can do it with what we do with the unit, we can do to the number, and also do that gut check. Does this answer make sense?